Welcome. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue that many users face. Videos not playing on LinkedIn when using a PC. With recent updates, this can be frustrating, but don't worry. There are several steps you can take to resolve the problem easily. Step 1. Close and reopen your browser. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. Start by closing your web browser completely. This helps reset any temporary glitches that might be affecting video playback. Once you've closed it, reopen the browser and navigate back to LinkedIn. Step 2. Refresh the LinkedIn web page. If closing and reopening didn't do the trick, try refreshing the LinkedIn page. You can do this by clicking on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser window. This action reloads the page and may help in loading the video correctly. Step 3. Restart your device. If you're still having issues, consider restarting your device. To do this, press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click on the power icon. Select Shutdown and wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button again. A fresh start can often resolve many technical issues. Step 4. Ask the sender to resend the video. If the video was sent to you by someone else, it might be worth asking them to resend it. Sometimes, there can be issues with how the video was uploaded or shared initially. Step 5. Clear your browser. Cache and cookies. Accumulated cache and cookies can interfere with how websites function. To clear these, click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of your browser, select More Tools, and then Clear Browsing Data. In the new tab that appears, ensure all options are checked and set the time range to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data to clear out any unwanted files. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any problems with videos not playing on LinkedIn. If these solutions don't work, consider checking for any browser updates or trying a different browser altogether. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful.